Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is fried beans with boiled yam. I'm going to show you how I prepare this healthy, delicious food. Please make sure you watch to the end and help me to share. I've already cleaned my beans, like removed the bad parts. So now I'm going to pour it in my pot and then add some salt and water. I'm going to throw the water out later, okay? And then add new water to the beans. So as you can see, it is halfway cooked. I removed the water and then I had to put a little more water and let it keep cooking. Here is my scotch bonnet pepper, paprika, onions, crayfish, and I'm going to blend it. After frying the fish with some vegetable oil, I had to remove it and then pour in my red oil. Like I added some red oil to the vegetable oil. I added onions. I'm going to stir fry for at least 30 to 40 seconds and thereafter add my pepper mix. I'm going to stir again, add a little water and then cover to let cook. I'm going to let it keep cooking until the oil is on the top, like on the surface, okay? So now I'm going to stir and then add my seasoning and then some bouillon powder. As you can see, the seasoning was a bit hard, so I just put it in the pot and let it melt a little. I had to use my spoon to break it. I'm going to add my fish. As you can see, the oil is at the top, so that means that the sauce is ready. I'm going to pour in my already cooked beans. It is not that cooked, like not too soft, not too strong. It's just average. So I'm going to stir and thereafter add a little water to let it cook. I'm going to lower my heat right now because the beans is almost ready. So I'm going to stir again and then cover to let cook. As you can see, guys, that's it. My beans is ready. I ate the beans with boiled yam and it was very delicious. You can eat it with fried plantain, cooked plantain, ripe plantain, whichever thing you want to eat it with is fine. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you and like, comment and share. See you in my next video. Bye.